Hello, I want to show us how we perform equality of means, precisely equality of means of two groups using two tests on Excel. Assuming I want to use this set of data, and this set of data can perform two things here, and I want to perform just one now to show to us. Assuming I just feel that the mean there's no difference in the mean of these two groups. For example, these are scores of a particular class, and these are scores of maybe another class. I can call it this one, maybe score, maybe class score. Let me put it as scores A, then scores B. I just assume the means are equal. So I want to confirm using t-test. These are different classes, so I will use independent t-test. So I go to data analysis. You can see all of this type of t-test we have. T-test pair two sample formats. We use this when we are dealing with a single population, but different tests are carried out on it. We want to see before and after. This one, two sample, but we assume that the variances are equal. That is one of the assumptions of normality. But here we are saying they don't have equal variances. The first two here, we assume that there's no difference in the mean. That's the H naught, not the hypothesis. So for example, I assume these are two independent groups, and I pick two t-test, two sample, assuming equal variances, and I will get it. So with this, I want to, now this is variable 1. I want to bring the data set here. I click on this. Variable 1 comes here. Variable 2, click on it. Then hypothesize mean difference. It is 0. Note, we are saying that there's no difference in the mean. That's the hypothesis. That's the assumed mean difference. There's no difference because by the time you remove you subtract the mean of the first group from the second group, we assume it is 0. That is equality of means. It's just an assumption. We want to test it. Now the label should be checked. These are the labels. You should check it. Otherwise, Excel will not be able to execute the task. But it will see the first row as a string, which is not permitted. But once you have checked it, it has assumed that it is string. So where the output string, when we want our result, I prefer my result beside the data. So I click OK. This is the result. You can see the result. This is t-test 2 sample assuming equal variances. Score A 26, mean 45 is the mean. So even from this we can say that you can see that there's difference in the means of the two groups. But in statistics we don't like just concluding or having a conclusion based on assumption. We need to validate. So this is a way of, this is a scientific way of proving or validating any assumption we have once we have data on ground. So this is not the end of it. We need to go to the p-values. P-value, you can see the hypothesized mean difference is 0. So the p-value to take our decision for two tail is 6.3. This is 0.0000. You have 5 zeros there before you write. Now I have 6.3. This is a very, very significant difference, because we reject H naught. That's the null hypothesis. If the p-value is less than the level of significance, in this case level of significance is 0.05. So this is very, very low to read. It means we are rejecting the H naught that says there's no difference. In this case there is difference, because the difference is significant. Thank you.